Hello everybody, it's Mr. Poppleton here from Pocatello, Idaho. Today I'm going to be showing you the Japanese painted aircraft. So first we're going to take a look at their A6M2 So I did two paint schemes on this. I did a white paint scheme. There's it from a distance. Just a small red line through the fuselage of the plane there. Pretty simple. But it looks great on the board and on the carriers and stuff. So that, and then I did a dark green paint scheme. Very similar. Yellow about halfway up the plane as well. Overall pretty good. So yeah, there's their zeros. Next we got their VAL, D3A1 VAL. Here's the green one. So I did the green and white paint scheme on the fighters and tactical bombers, but the strategic bomber I just did a green. I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, pretty basic. I kept basic. On this one, I did a little bit different style that I saw online there. Had the black paint from the engine come all the way up to the cockpit. And the red, a full red tail coming almost to the cockpit. All right, and the Betty, finally, here it is. On this one I did put little dots on the side there. I did find on the sculpts there was a lot of excess material there from the mold. So you're going to want to get a razor and scrape that off or sand it off or whatever before priming or anything. So there's that Japanese Air Force there. I'll show it to you on a carrier, so kind of see how that looks. Let me just grab one. Let's get a couple carriers in here. They'll just land on there like so. All right, there it is, Japanese Air Force. Thanks for watching, guys.